こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 128. We're gonna learn how to say thank you for something or thank you for doing me something. I think everybody knows to say thank you in Japanese. We say ありがとう. And you can watch my expression video number 4. There I explain about ありがとう in many ways to say ありがとう. Also, in my grammar video number 74, I explain about this ありがとう but in kanji. What is the meaning of this kanji and the origin of this ありがとう? At first, the easiest. When we want to say thank you for something, thank you for this object, then this is noun. In this case, for example, present, gift. プレゼントありがとう. It means you don't have to use any particle. Thank you for chocolate. チョコレートありがとう. Thank you for your comments. コメントありがとう. Thank you for doing me something. In this case, this is the action that I want to thank you. In this case, we use te form of the verb, te, and also くれてありがとう. It means there are two te forms. At first, this verb with te form, and also after this one, くれます and te form, くれて, so te, and again te, after ありがとう. In my previous video, Grammar 127, I explained te form and くれます. It means someone did a favor for me or for my family or for my friends. So we can say thank you for this favor. So, てくれます and this くれます change to て form くれててくれてありがとう. Let's see some examples in casual way among friends, among families. Thank you for helping me. The verb to help 手伝いますwithout ます手伝い the last one is e. So this is group 1 and te form with small 2 and te. 手伝って jump sound 手伝ってくれてありがとう手伝ってくれてありがとう Thank you for listening to me. Here we are going to use this word 話 as a noun 話 Actually, this is the verb 話します to speak. But 話 as the subject, as the noun, it is like a story. But also when I speak something, and this is 話. So when we say 話を聞きます, it can mean to listen to someone speaking. 話を聞いてくれてありがとう。話を聞いてくれてありがとう。Thank you for making us delicious food every day. We can show our gratitude saying this to our mother or wife or your friends. 毎日おいしい料理を作ってくれてありがとう。毎日おいしい料理を作ってくれてありがとう。Thank you for coming to visit me. Here we are going to use this form. Verb must form without must. And ni, the particle ni. And the last verb, 来ます. It means come in order to do this. Here to say come to visit me, this is the verb 遊びます. 遊びます It means to play, but also to visit someone. 遊びに来ます come to visit. Or go to visit someone. 遊びに行きます。遊びに来てくれてありがとう。遊びに来てくれてありがとう。Thank you for buying me nice shoes. 素敵な靴を買ってくれて 素敵な靴を買ってくれてありがとう。素敵な靴を買ってくれてありがとう。Thank you for worrying about me or thank you for caring about me. Anxiety or uneasiness, we say 心配。This is the noun 心配。And the verb to worry about 心配します。心配してくれてありがとう。心配してくれてありがとう。Thank you for picking me up at the airport. 空港まで迎えに来てくれてありがとう。空港まで迎えに来てくれてありがとう。Thank you for taking me home. We are going to use 送ります。This verb 送ります。I think you know this is to send something to someone. But here in this sentence, we can use this 送ります and this means to take someone to some destination, to some place to say goodbye. 送ります without must 送り This is the root of the verb. And te form, you must change to, this is group 1. So 送 and small 2 and te 送ってうちまで送ってくれてうちまで送ってくれてありがとう。うちまで送ってくれてありがとう。These sentences here are quite casual and informal. But now we're gonna see more formal way or respectful way. In this case, te form and instead of くれて we're gonna use てくださって。The verb くれます and te form is くれて。敬語 respectful way of speaking of くれます This is くださいます。くれます is the second group of the verb, but くださります。くださります。This is group 1. Now the conjugation of くださります the group 1 and くださる this is dictionary form 辞書形くださる and ない form くださらないくださらない and te form and ta form and this li change to small 2 and te jump sound くださってくださった as te form of くださります is くださって This is the reason why we use てくださって The expression ください You know it Please give me ください This expression comes from this verb くださりますください For example コメントくださいコメントください Please give me some comments More formal way than ありがとう is ありがとうございます Or we can also use どうもありがとうございます Thank you very much for teaching us 教えてくださってどうもありがとうございます教えてくださってどうもありがとうございます Thank you very much for explaining us The verb to explain 説明します and only 説明 This is the noun explanation 説明説明してくださって説明してくださってどうもありがとうございます説明してくださってどうもありがとうございます Thank you very much for lending me an interesting book 面白い本を貸してくださってどうもありがとうございます面白い本を貸してくださってどうもありがとうございます Thank you very much for supporting me The verb to root for someone to cheer for someone to back someone up or to support 応援します and only 応援 This is the noun. And 応援します。And this is the verb. 応援してくださって、どうもありがとうございます。応援してくださって、どうもありがとうございます。Now a quiz time with 3 questions, 3 translations into Japanese. I tell you 3 sentences, but I want you to make 6 sentences. It means I want you to make 2 ways in each one. It means in the casual way and also the same sentence, but in a more respectful way. 1番目 Thank you for tidying me up my room. 2番目 Thank you very much for inviting me to the party. 3番目最後です。Thank you very much for watching my video till here today too. I hope now it's very easy for you to say thank you in Japanese. Very common mistake to say thank you for something, thank you for doing something. Maybe you say te form, but many people forget to use kurete or kudasatte. But now you know it. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And also if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And I really hope that you can share my videos with your friends. Please. いかがでしたか？今日は感謝を伝えるいろいろな方法を勉強しました。特にて形を使ってその後にてくれてをてくださってこの使い方を勉強しました。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。私のビデオをお友達やご家族にご紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。今日も私のビデオをここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。感謝しています。次のビデオも楽しみにしていてください。ではお体に気をつけてまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。